Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Albie here. If this is your first time hanging out with me, welcome. I am happy to have you. Now if you're a newbie, just a little bit about who I am. I am an online interior designer and stylist. I work exclusively in the online space, connecting people to beautiful design and beautiful decor to help you create your dreamscape. I am jumping on today super quick because I realized I may not have shared with you guys that I recently relaunched my style quiz. Basically, once you head over to the link that is in the description box below, you will find an interior design style quiz. It features a series of questions of all kinds that'll help really narrow down what design style is yours. So there are 10 design styles, and to be very clear, interior design styles are something that are ever changing, ever evolving. So it's not a set in stone rule that whatever you are is what you are. Instead, the result that you're going to get is a style profile, really outlining your likes, dislikes, and serving as sort of a North Star on your home decor shopping and furnishings adventure. So you're going to answer some questions, you're going to get a style profile, and like I said, you are going to kind of let that be your guide as you go on your design and styling journey. As part of taking the quiz, you are going to get access to a design style inspiration kit. And basically what this inspiration kit entails, it sounds way more intense than it really is, but basically it is a breakdown of what your style profile is and how it shows up in the world. So in terms of color palette, celebrity designers, where you would be shopping, things like that. Just really how it reflects your lifestyle to really get you thinking about designing your space in a totally different way. A lot of times we get really fixated on these buzzwords that we see on Pinterest or see on TV, and we don't know how to be a bit more discerning or how to quiet out all that noise. So that is why I created the style quiz. With the style quiz, you will also have early bird access to my new design intensive, the Decor Discovery Intensive, where we really dive deeper, taking that design style as the inspiration, but going more into the strategy side of things. So budgeting, shopping, and really planning for creating your dreamscape. I would absolutely love it if you take the quiz. It is a completely free quiz. It's like 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops, and you will get your results immediately. And then from there, again, you'll get access to the inspiration kit as well as a curated Pinterest board for your corresponding design style. I am super excited to be sharing this with you guys. I really don't know what took me so long to share it with you, but I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So head over to the link below to take the quiz, and then let me know in the comments what style profile you got. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you love taking quizzes, because maybe I'll create another one. And again, thank you for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.